welcome to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. And while you're here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I look kind of not put together, but I was doing this DIY and I thought, since I'm doing it, why not make a video? So I already started a little bit. So basically we're gonna call this video Dollar Tree DIY. I'm making this welcome sign. Basically everything from Dollar Tree except my wood. The wood I already have. So I'm gonna turn my camera around so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so the wood is under this contact paper, and I put the wood together with my handy dandy glue gun, the high temp glue gun, and my E6000 glue. And here's my contact paper that I used. I got this from Dollar Tree for $1, and all I did was wrap the wood around in this. Okay, so that's what we did so far. And I have these orange, of course my door would go off while I'm talking. I have these orange pumpkins that I get from Dollar Tree. Okay, I took the stems out and cut them in half right down this line. And when you cut them, they look exactly like this. It's not that hard at all. So now that you all caught up on what all I did, okay, I forgot to show you guys what else I got from the Dollar Tree. I have these little fall flowers, the little berries, the white and red ones. I have some of these little pine cone, the small one. What are they called? I guess they pine cones. I have these little lights. I'm not sure how these supposed to go, but it's safe for, come on camera, focus. It won't focus, but it's safe for indoor use only. So I don't know how this is supposed to go, because this is for my porch and not inside the house. I have these flowers, and I have some corn that I'm going to decorate the whole sign with. So now let's get started back on the sign. Okay, y'all, here I'm showing you how easy it is to cut the pumpkin. They're foam, and if you use anything sharp, they're going to cut. It's not hard at all. All you're doing is cutting right on the line. Okay guys, so I know y'all really can't see me, but that's okay. What I'm doing right now is gluing the pumpkins onto the wood. So what you want to do is make sure you go ahead and measure them all out on the wood first, so that it won't be all messed up, too close or too spaced out. So we're just going to measure these out and make sure everything is good. Okay, now that all mine's lined up how I want them, I'm going to start gluing them down. I'm going to use the E6000 glue in the glue gun so that I make sure that it's really on there. Okay, I have my white paint, something to put my paint in. have my sponge brush, and I have my stencils. We're about to paint the sign welcome. I hope these letters can fit on here. They may be too big, but we'll see. This is what the sign looking like so far. Let me. Okay. Now we're going to start putting all the decorations and everything on them. This part is totally up to you. All you're doing is placing stuff where you think it will look good at. If you need to place stuff on there before you start gluing, then that's what you do. I played around with my designs first before I started gluing things down, and I moved and replaced things. Yeah, that's all you're doing. If it don't look good, then move it. FYI, I wish I would have got fall ribbon, because I feel like the ribbons would have set the whole welcome sign off. I could have put it at the top. So if you like fall ribbon, go ahead and grab you some fall ribbons, because now I'm wishing I would have got some. All in all, this DIY took me about an hour and a half, but I kept stopping because I was doing the video, so I had to reposition my camera and all that. So you probably can chop it down to about an hour, but all in all, it took me an hour and a half. Okay guys, here is my finished welcome sign. I think it came out so good. I'm so excited for it. Can't wait to put it outside. I'm gonna start decorating the inside of my house, because today I feel like I'm in the spirit. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because if you're not subscribing and you keep coming to the videos, what's the point of that? So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Bye.